Hi guys, it's Chris. Today we're back with Lone Star Grills, and today's a very exciting day. We've got our brand new cabinet model pellet smoker. This is the third addition to our pellet smoker lineup. This is by far the largest of our pellet smoker offerings. At 3,648 square inches, this is a cooking machine. Now this is shown as the base model. We have several options that you can see on the website down on the add-ons and upgrades, but this is exactly how it would come if you did not have any upgrades. So everything here is going to be included in the base price. Cool touch stainless steel handles, Tell-True temp gauge, fireboard controller. By the way, the fireboard controller comes standard with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. That's not an upgrade, that's going to come standard. Folding front table is standard. Utensil hooks. We have a grease management system down here. It's going to come capped. There's also a hook if you like to hold a bucket under there to let it drain. And in the add-on sections, we have a ball valve option to make that easier to clean out. There's a tie-down point on the bottom of the main chamber. So if you like to haul this a lot, we've got a place that's secure to put your tie-down straps to hold that on a trailer. This is going to have 4 cooking racks. Again, standard. 6 inches of clearance in between each rack. All 4 racks slide out and are removable. So if you wanted to do like stand-up turkeys, stand-up chickens, and then you still have the other racks available. Each of these racks is 24 inches deep, 38 inches wide. We have 2 removable horizontal sausage rods or hanging rods, so you can hang any items you want, ribs, sausage, and those are removable. So you can load the sausage out here, put it in the smoker, and then proceed to do your cook. 40-pound hopper, this will hold 40 pounds of pellets. Hinge top lid. We have a pellet dump to easily swap out pellets in the back. So when you're done with your oak, you want to add hickory, just simply swap those out. That also makes keeping your pellets fresh between cooks, so when you're done cooking, you can dump out the pellets, put that in an airtight bucket, store those for next time. That way they stay fresh and dry. Next feature is our removable fire pot. So when you're done, clean out, dump the ashes, put the fire pot back, latch that back up. Literally 5 seconds, you're done cleaning out. Gone are the days of the other brands where you've got to disassemble everything. You've got to get your shop vac out. You've got to vacuum out the fire pot. Those days are gone with your Lone Star Grills. Just like our 36 and 42 model, clean out is achieved easily through the bottom. This is made to be a direct or indirect cooker. So for indirect, we've got our direct baffle close to do direct grilling, steaks, burgers. Move that baffle over, and now we're going to do direct grilling. So we can set this up as a direct or indirect cooker. Grease management is handled through our deflector plate. So our deflector plate is sloped towards the left-hand side. There's a sealed chamber where the grease collects, and then you dump it out when you're done. So no grease is going to enter the other area of your cooker, making a nasty mess. Everything is going to be on the one side in the one chamber and easily drained out when you're done. This smoker is 400 to 160 degrees is what you can achieve on auto settings. So what that means is if I set it to 225, it's going to maintain 225 in auto. If we go to manual mode, we can control that all the way down to temperatures as low as 125, and direct grill temperatures, if we slide that baffle over and we're doing direct grilling over the fire, we can get up to 700 degrees in manual mode. The controller also has a cold smoke feature if you want to do cold smoke with no heat at all. Set it to cold smoke and it will just do a smoke cycle. Controller, also made in America by Fireboard Labs. Again, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are included. There's 6 probe ports on the bottom of this controller, so we can monitor the temperatures of 6 proteins at once. So if we're doing briskets, butts, a bunch of them, we want to know when to wrap, when to pull, when they're done, when to rest. We're able to monitor up to 6 and do custom cooking programs through the controller and through the app. For more information on this grill or any of our other grills, check us out on our website at lonestargrills.com. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos on our cabinet pellet smoker and all the other smokers that we offer.